This is day 3 of living in the Geo Metro full time. We're out here in El Paso, Texas, headed to Dallas. I think we're like 800 miles away or something like that. No way. First Texas cop's about to pass us up. They don't stop us. 40 miles an hour in an 80. Semi-truck's blowing past us. Trust me, if we were doing 80 in this thing, it'd be a lot scarier. You hit 80 in this thing?
Yeah.
When?
When I stole it from you.
There's apparently an inspection here in Texas. I don't even know what a Texas inspection is, but it doesn't sound good. Oh no, guys. We're not gonna pass an inspection in this thing. Oh, you know what it is?
What?
I've been to them. They ask you if you're a citizen. Are you an illegal immigrant?
No.
You have to answer though, or they'll put you in jail.
Right to jail.
We need our licenses?
No. All they can do is say, are you an illegal alien or some shit. Oh, getting me all worked up for nothing. I thought we were going to jail.
Right to jail.
Massage it real good. Hair flowing in the wind. Beautiful motorhome behind her. Ouch, ouch, ouch. How do you grab one of these things? What will a dog do with a cactus? What is it, Avery? Miley? What is it, Miley? Ah, Miley! No, no, Miley, no, stop! Miley, stop!
What an idiot!
Miley, you are not smart. No, Miley. Guys, we've gotten so rich off the social media money that we've hired our own personal chef. She doesn't speak English very well, but she cooks very good steak. It appears that our water tank is literally falling out right now. So we're gonna try to figure out how to restrap this back up. Oh, yeah, bro.
Shit.
We don't have any more straps, by the way, either. Oh yeah, that's a strap, but...
Stuck.
Give us a little wiggle test.
Looks good to me.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah, that's sketch.
Bring it down to this tire, hits the ground, and then it can't slide over. That's good. We're out here in Pecos, Texas. Slept right here on this pull off on the side of the road last night. After I saw how bad the gas leak was and the oil leak was, it's progressed pretty severely. I do an AutoZone and see if we can JB weld this gas tank. Good morning, everybody. Taxi boy. Where's Hunter?
Here.
Oh,
Here.
hi. Got a jack. I did not want to be laying underneath this thing with that little scissor jack or whatever you want to call it. Too sketchy, so let's get this gas tank fixed up. Puppies. Miley, get down from there. Miley, get down. Come on. I'm gonna walk over to AutoZone, buy some kind of epoxy or something. AutoZone. Okay. So basically, the gas tank literally is splitting at that seam right there. Maybe I'm gonna put some vice grips to clamp it together and then just leave it there or something. Yeah, that sucks. It needs a new gas tank for sure. Well, I got our JB welded up. I really don't know if that's gonna fix it, but we're gonna find out. I don't know if that was enough gas to make it leak, but it ain't leaking right now. I don't see it leaking. This is day 2 of living in the Geo Metro full time. We have made it 1,170 miles so far. We're out here in Odessa, Texas, fixing the gas leak. It was pouring gas pretty bad. It got the gas leak fixed, I think. Literally, we've been doing like the last 800 miles, putting 4 gallons in at a time to try to keep it below that halfway point. Besides that, the Geo is killing it. It's got a nasty oil leak that I really need to get fixed. I'm thinking about just keep pushing it out and just keep putting more oil in it. I don't know, I really need to do it. But the problem is that to do it, I have to pull the crank pulley, which means I gotta pull the timing belt, which means while I'm in there, I should probably change the water pump. And I really don't feel like doing that right now. I have the water pump, I have the crank seal. I just need to do it, but I don't know. We'll see. If it actually blows on me and I don't catch it in time, well, It's gonna be a lot worse. So we're about 400 miles from Dallas. We're gonna go do some riding at Underground Compound. What other fun stuff should we go check out while we're here in Texas? Find out if it leaks. Oh, please don't leak. Please don't leak. We just came from California, and this is our first time getting gas under $3 a gallon. It was $5.50 all over SoCal. God dang, guys. We are not leaking gas anymore. JB Weld for the win. But the question is, are we leaking oil? And how bad? Not as bad as it was yesterday. Maybe it has no oil to leak. Who knows? Only about a quarter quart low, so she's good to go. Hunter says there's black widows over here. I think they're crazy.
Here, get down. You gotta get down.
Oh my God.
They're under like every corner of every fucking bench.
Let's see, is this a black widow, guys? Looks kind of black widow-ish.
They occasionally eat their mates after reproducing.
That's a gnarly looking spider, and it's huge. Gnarly. Molly says, let's get the frick out of this nasty place. Hunter says, get the frick out of here too. Texas has black widows.
Applebee's has rats. I found a whole rat in my Cobb salad.
Get me out of here. Well, since we left Seattle 4 months ago, we have put 19,000 miles on this thing, driving to every motocross track in Southern California. And now it has just completed its first 1,500 miles with the trailer. Now we're about to do our second complete fill up of the whole trip, and we're gonna find out what kind of mileage this thing's getting now that we didn't run the AC all day long. It's still leaking just a little bit, not near as bad. Oh, it's leaking. Yeah, it's leaking still. Well, we tried. Okay, it took 8 gallons to go to 197 miles divided by 8.00. 24.625. Not as good as I thought it was, but God, that sucks. It's still leaking gas, guys. What am I gonna do? It's leaking gas. Look, I still have the jack. I'll figure it out in Dallas.
Hillbilly Haven.
Honk for attendance.
Honk. Out here at Hillbilly Haven, and I think we're about to go fishing.
Yeah, it popped. He's sinking.
Ellie! Oh my God. I stepped in some nasty black clay.
You ever skipped rock before? Yeah. It's your best count ever.
5.
You've only done 5 skips in your whole life?
No.
2.
7.
Oh.
You suck.
0.
1. The wind grabbed it.
There's no fucking wind, dude. Dude, there's... Yeah, you can't because it didn't happen. Oh.
Fish or do whatever you want.
He's excited.
What are you doing over here? Whoa. Playing in nasty swamp mud. Hunter begged me for these little pussy fireworks.
He bought them. I never knew.
He was crying because I wouldn't buy him a sparkler.
I was not.
You don't have to lie to everybody, Hunter.
I'm gonna Sparky's in your face.
Spell your name. I don't know. What's your name? You don't know your name? Oh. Oh yeah, Brett, you don't know how to spell because you don't do school. You put it in the water and the lion's gone?
And my line is gone, dude. I don't like fishing.
You're the worst fisherman in all of fishers.
I know, Dad.
Okay, so we're done fishing forever?
No, let's try again.
No.
Teach me
Wait, teach you what?
how to do it.
No.
Teach me. I
No.
want to fish, Dad, please.
You don't want to fish.